I'm gonna tell you the 5 biggest mistakes that hobby YouTubers make so that you don't make these mistakes like I did with my Rookie Handyman channel, and these mistakes slow down my YouTube growth tremendously. Let's get right into it. Mistake number 1 is not starting your channel. This is very important. You have to start your channel right now, because if you don't start your channel, you cannot grow. This stops a lot of people. They want to be perfect. They want to know what their videos are gonna be about. They want to have everything outlined, but it doesn't work that way. Let's be honest here. Your first couple of videos are not gonna be good. They're probably gonna be garbage, to be honest. But this is necessary, because in order for you to learn, in order for you to grow, you have to make some mistakes, right? I was considering starting a YouTube channel for 2 years before actually starting it, and I regret those 2 years today, but it is what it is. I can only give advice to some other people to not waste time thinking about it and to spend time actually doing it. The mistake number 2 that everyone makes is that they just don't have enough patience. And I'm guilty of this also. I would see some video on YouTube in my hobby niche and I'm like, I'm gonna make this same exact video. I know how to do this. I can make this same video and I'm gonna get 1 million views easily. And I would make this same video and then nothing. Crickets. No views or very low number of views on my video. It takes time to get your channel going. It takes time to build that momentum. It just takes time for YouTube to recognize you as a serious creator. So be patient when it comes to results on YouTube. Put in the work now and the results will come later. Trust me. Now, if you are passionate about your hobby and if you are looking for ways to start your YouTube channel the right way from the start, I have a 14-step blueprint down in the description below. So if you don't know what niche is, if you are not sure how to set up your channel, and if you are not sure what to talk about, I can get you up to speed in the fastest way humanly possible. Just go through these 14 steps. You even have video tutorials in my free school group. So if you are interested in starting or making your existing YouTube channel better, go check it out. The mistake number 3 is comparing yourself to other creators out there. We all have YouTube channels that we look up to, and it would be great to have that big number of subscribers one day like they do, right? But we have to keep in mind that everyone is different. Your personality is different. Your way of presenting is different, and people will subscribe to your channel because they like you for you. And this is why everyone has different journey on YouTube. You are unique and you should use this to your advantage. The mistake number 4 is not reading and not replying to the comments of your viewers, because let me tell you this, the comment section of your video is a gold mine for video ideas. Once I started using this method, I would ask my viewers in the comment section, for example, I have just made a video about 3 ways to drill into a concrete wall, and I would just ask them if they know any other way. Please comment it below. And people would comment 10 new solutions on how to drill into a concrete wall, and I would have enough material for my future video. So always make a pinned comment on your video with a question that will make your viewers engage in the comments. And finally, mistake number 5, and this is really important. Do not make this mistake. A lot of creators will watch video just like this video right here, and they will think that by watching a video they are putting stuff into the action. But in reality, until you implement the stuff from the video, you are just watching and you are just wasting your time. So as soon as this video right here is finished, write down what mistakes you are making right now on your YouTube journey. Put it somewhere where you can see it all the time. And this is one step in the right direction. You took some action and you already made some progress on your YouTube journey. Now, if you want to see how I turned my hobby into a profitable YouTube channel, check out this video right here. You don't need any experience. You don't need any expensive gear. Just follow this simple step-by-step process.